as I told you, we have a reading comprehension from this story. So remember, if you have any concern or any problem with any part of the story, you can go back to the previous slides. So we have in the number 1, what is the title of this story? Try to identify, according with the picture, the title of the story, please. Okay, let's go. So in the number 2, look at the picture. Remember, what does Peggy, the milkmaid, want to buy with the money she makes from the sale of the milk? Remember that this girl has a milk pail on his head, and on that milk pail she has some milk. So what does she want to buy when she sell the milk? Look at the picture, and there you have some options. Try to think according with the pictures. Let's see. Number 3, what can Peggy get from the chicken? It's really simple. Could you please look at both pictures and identify what do you have there? What does she want to get from the chicken? Let's see. Number 4, what does she plan to do with the chicken and eggs she can get from the chicken? Could you please identify what does she plan to do with? Look at both pictures. Number 5, we have what does Peggy want to buy with the money she makes from the sale of the chicken and the eggs? Look at the girl. The girl has a beautiful what? Okay, let's move on. So, number 6, does this picture show the beginning, the middle, or the end of the story? Look at the poor girl. The poor girl is really sad. Look at the picture and you are going to identify the reason of why she's so sad. Okay, let's go back and I will help you with the answer. What is the title of this story, this fable, right? So the name is The Maid and the Milk Pail. That's the name. Let's go back. Let's go ahead. What does Peggy, the milkmaid, want to buy with the money she makes from the sale of the milk? So as you can see in the picture, she has a lot of plans. So she plans to buy chickens, and those chickens are going to have some eggs, and then they are going to have some chickens, and so on. I mean, she plans to have more chickens, more eggs to sell it. Let's go. What can Peggy get from the chicken? In this question, I told you that you need to pay carefully attention to the pictures that we have, because the pictures are like hints for you. So, what can Peggy get from the chicken? Eggs. Look at this. Eggs. Next one. What does she plan to do with the chickens and eggs she can get from the chicken? So she's planning to sell the eggs from the chickens. Next one. What does Peggy want to buy with the money she makes from the sale of the chickens and the eggs? So as you can see, this girl has a beautiful dress. So Peggy wants to buy a beautiful princess dress. Let's see. Does this picture show you the beginning, the middle, or the end of the story? So as you can see here, this is the end of the story because the milkmaid was really sad. Look at the picture. Why is really sad? Because the milk pail fell down. Okay? So excellent job.